So for parabolas that open vertically, if it opens up, the vertex is the minimum point on the graph. If it opens down, the vertex is the maximum point on the graph. That's actually stuff we did before, but they're repeating these kinds of problems here. For this problem, which is an even number, you have an odd number to do. The revenue R generated by the sale of X units of a product is given by this equation. Okay. Is that opening up or down? Yeah. Right. So this is a parabola that opens down, which means that point is the vertex. It is also the maximum point on the graph. So when it says how many products to maximize the revenue, and what is the maximum revenue, what are they asking you to find? Find the vertex. That's it. The whole thing is just find the vertex. Now the truth is, when we did these before, when you've done them in Algebra 2 or previously in this class, we know that you can find the vertex by doing negative b over 2a. That's the x coordinate of the vertex. That's the h. And then you plug it back in. But since everything we've been doing here is put it in this standard form, then we'll tell what the vertex is from that. Let's go ahead and do that. What should I multiply by here so that I've got a positive 1x squared? Close. Negative 5 over 7, right? We need this to be a positive one, so multiply this whole thing by negative 5 over 7. Okay. When I do that, now I've got negative 5 over 7 times r equals, and I'm going to rewrite this a little bit, x squared, I'll write first. And then what is negative 5/7 times 378? Minus 270, okay. And what do I got? And that's got an x in it. Okay. So now what do I have to add to that side to complete the square? Remember, how do you do it? Take this, divide it by 2, and then what? Square it. $18,225. Okay. Okay, but if I add that much to the right, I've got to add the same thing to the left, right? So this will be plus 18,225. So here's the negative 5/7 r plus 18,225 equals, what is my x minus what? $135. It's whatever you get when you divide by 2, right? X minus 135. Okay, now what do I have to do to get that in the right form? We did it twice already. Deja's the one who said it both times. What do we do with this step? Factor out the negative 5/7, right? So negative 5/7 r, and now we've got to divide. What is 18,225 divided by negative 5/7? Minus 25515. So what is the vertex of that parabola? No. The h is x minus h, 135, 25,515. So now we answer our question. How many products x's do we have to make to maximize the revenue? 135. How much revenue will we make? 25,515.